Ready.
Yours didn't make it.
It made it.
It turned it on and off.
Yes, it did.
Yes! We did it!
We did it.
And we got it on film.
Yes, we did.
Yes. Alright. Well.
Yours worked all the way, didn't it? Did yours work all the way?
Yeah, look.
Give me the victory thumbs up. Yeah. Let's look at the demolition
Now
part.
we show everything.
Let's show everything. The ball went down the tube.
And then all the dominoes here
Split
fell
dominoes.
on my dad's side.
Here's my side.
The golf ball was up here. It bounced off here. It
Off the drum.
fell on this, knocked this down, which let
Off
the
the sweeper.
pool ball fall, and it turned this lamp on and off. And my side, the metal marble went down here, knocked both sides down. A marble hit off the rubber band. It went all the way down these pool sticks, knocked down some dominoes. A domino fell down here and knocked down some more. Then a golf ball fell through the tunnel and knocked all this down. These sides were supposed to fall, but they didn't. But
Pretty good,
still awesome.
because the front of it did.
They weren't meant to fall, but it was... And look, the marble fell out of the cup. How did these two cups fall together? Well, there it is.
Owen, good job.
Nice.
Give one last smile and thumbs up. Mission accomplished.